Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're going to be reading David Goes to School. This is written by David Shannon. He is the author of the story. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to get a little tiny and it says, David's teacher always said, "No, David. No yelling, no pushing, no running in the halls. David, you're tardy. Sit down, David. Don't chew gum in class.
I got it.
David, raise your hand. Keep your hands to yourself. Pay attention.
Hey,
Wait your turn, David.
he did it.
I don't care who started it. David, recess is over. Shh.
Miss.
Again? That's it, mister. You're staying after school. David, have you finished?
All done.
Good job, David. Yes, David. You can go home now.
Yippee!
All right, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the story. I will see you next time. Bye.